Safe Haven Currency Basket. Technical signals in times of uncertainty. In this video, we look at the Safe Haven Big Three and explain why, as of May 2026, these assets are no longer moving with the same classic risk-off logic. As you can see from the screen, the basket is showing a major divergence. The US dollar and the Swiss franc are behaving like stronger defensive assets, while the Japanese yen is struggling to perform its old role as a reliable haven. The basket is no longer unified. The first key point is that safe haven behavior is becoming selective. In past market stress episodes, traders often treated the dollar, franc, and yen as a more unified defensive group. But now, that assumption is weakening. USD and CHF leadership. As you can see from the screen, the dollar is still benefiting from a higher for longer yield advantage, with US rates around 3.50 to 3.75%, and from the fact that the US is relatively insulated as an energy exporter during the oil shock. The Swiss franc, meanwhile, is acting as the pure-play European refuge and remains one of the cleanest defensive trades in the market. The yen breakdown. The yen is the clearest exception. As you can see from the screen, it remains near the intervention zone, around 160, and is not rallying the way a classic haven normally would. The reason is that the cost of holding yen is simply too high when the interest rate gap is so wide and Japan remains exposed to high energy import costs. Strategic haven. Allocation gold adds another layer to the story. Even though it remains a long-term insurance asset, it has also faced pressure because traders are favoring high-yielding dollar exposure. That tells us that traditional haven correlations are no longer stable. So the key message in this video is clear. Safe haven status is no longer automatic. In this environment, traders need to read each haven separately and focus on yield structure, fiscal credibility, and macro resilience rather than just history.